Small scale industry. The small scale industry consists of a factory, some machinery, some workers, and in which investment is more than cottage industry. In small scale industries, toys, TV, refrigerator, plastic items are made. Students, small scale industry consists of a factory, some machinery, and some workers. Investment in such kind of industry is more than cottage industry. And in this industry, the toys, plastic goods, a refrigerator, and a television, all these kind of products are made. Heavy industry. Heavy industries are those industries in which big factory, big machinery, and large number of workers work. It requires heavy investment, so it is called heavy industry. It includes iron and steel, motor car, cement, etc. Students, heavy industry is the industry in which we need a huge investment. It is a huge factory in which we can find big machineries, large number of workers also, and heavy investment is required for this kind of industry. And products which are manufactured in heavy industry are iron and steel, cars, cement, etc. Students, refer map 5.6 on page number 41. In this map, you can find the places where the particular kind of industry is found. For example, where we can find cotton cloth, that is in Ahmedabad or Coimbatore. Then where iron steel industry is there, where woolen textile industry is there, where cement is manufactured, where paper is manufactured. Paper is manufactured in Maharashtra also, where jute is manufactured, sugar, petrochemicals, chemical fertilizers. All these industries are mentioned in this map. Students, in cottage industry, incense sticks, papad, furniture, pickles, khakra, all these products are manufactured. They are produced, they are made in this kind of industry. In small scale industry, clothes, handmade paper, furniture, toys, vessels, electronic devices are produced. In heavy industry, iron and steel, cement, motor cars, aeroplane, ships, these things are produced. Cotton clothes industry. What is required to make cotton cloth? Students, we need cotton to make cotton cloth. The cultivation of which crop leads to the development of the cotton cloth industry? Obviously, students, we need cotton crop for the development of cotton cloth industry. The cotton textile industry has developed in India in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, and Coimbatore. Students, cotton industry converts raw cotton available from cotton crop into cotton cloth. The first cotton textile mill, called Fort Gloucester, was set up in Kolkata in 1818 CE. Cotton textile industry is developed in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, and Coimbatore. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.